Welcome back to English class. This is Aishwarya. I am your English teacher. Okay, today I am going to discuss. Okay, Unit 9, that is Akbar and Birbal notes. Okay, in a previous class I gave an explanation. Yes, Akbar and Birbal. Today I am giving a notes. Okay, first bit, new words. First bit is new words. Flock, group of birds or a sheep. Yes. See, more than one bird, more than one sheep means we will call as a flock. Yes. Group of birds or a group of sheep we will call as a flock. Okay. Second one, huge. Huge means very big. Okay. Humorous. Funny. What is the meaning of humorous? Funny. Fourth one, clever. Clever means intelligent. Yes. In Kannada, buddhivanta. Yes. Fifth one, rooftops. The top of the roof, that we will call as a rooftops. What is the meaning of rooftops? The top of the roof we will call as a rooftops. Riverbank. Riverbank means edge of a river. Riverbank means nadi dandi. Yes. Edge of a river we will call as a riverbank. Palace. Palace means a king's house, that we will call as a palace. Palace means a king's house. Okay. Choose the correct answer. First one, Akbar and Birbal were walking in the dash. First option, field. Second, palace garden. Third one, on the river bank. See, Akbar and Birbal were walking in the palace garden. Where they walking? Walking in the palace garden. B option is a correct answer. Okay. Second one, the king ordered his men to count the crows in the city. See, the king orders his men to count the dash in the city. First one is crows, dogs, elephants. Which one is correct? Crows. Yes, crows. The king ordered his men to count the crows in the city. Okay. Third one, the king's men gave dash. A option is different answers. B, same answers. C is the correct answers. Which is correct one? Yes, the king's men gave a different answers. Okay. Fourth one, Birbal's answer was a dash. The correct answer, a clever answer, the wrong answer. Which one is right? B. Birbal's answer was a clever answer. Okay. Match the animal with its group. Okay. See, group. See, in A, dog, lion, chimpanzee and bird. We need to match its group. Okay, first one is dog. In A division, first one is A, dog. Okay, we need to match in B. Okay, see, more than one dog means we will call as a herd of dogs. Yes, in B, second picture. Second one, lion. Lion means, see, more than one lion means we will call as a pride. A pride of lions. In B division, third picture. You need to match. Chimpanzee. Chimpanzee, a group of a chimpanzee. Okay. Fourth one, bird. I already said you. More than one bird means we will call as a flock of a birds. In B division, first picture. Yes. Underline the silent letter. Okay. Listen carefully. First one, walk. See, walk. See, in this word, L is silent letter. Yes, L is silent letter. We need to underline the letter L. Okay. Second one, talk. Second one is talk. Yes, in this word also L is a silent letter. That's why we need to underline the L. Okay. Third one is doubt. Third one is doubt. In this, which one? Yes, B is the silent letter. Yes, B is the silent letter. That's why we need to underline the letter B. Okay, done. Fourth one, no. Yes, no. Which is silent letter, children? Yes, K is the silent letter. That's why we need to underline the letter K. Fifth one, watch. Fifth one is watch. Which one is silent letter here? Which one? Yes, T is the silent letter. That's why we need to underline the letter T. Okay. See, underline the correctly spelled words. See, look at first one carefully. First word is SIMPLE. Second word is SEMPLE. Third one is SIMPLI. Fourth one is SINPLE. Okay. Second word, third word, fourth word. It's not correct. Okay. First one, SIMPLE. Simple. Yes, first one we can spell, but second, third, fourth. Second, third, fourth are wrong. Okay, we need to underline the first one. Okay. Second one, THENK, THEMK. Third one, THINC. Fourth one is THINK. Which is correct one? You only say. Yes? Which one is correct? Yes. Fourth one, THINK. Think. Yes? We can spell this one. But first one, second one, third, we cannot spell. Yes? Third one, first one is REGHT. Second one is RIGHT. Third one is RIGT. Fourth one, RIHT. Yes? First one, third one and fourth one. Wrong. Okay. First one, third one and fourth one we cannot spell. We can spell second one. Yes. RIGHT. Right. Yes. Fourth one. VESIT. Second one, VISET. Third one is VISIT. Fourth one is VISITE. See, first one, second one and fourth one we cannot spell. Yes, we can spell third one, VISIT, visit. Okay. Okay. Makes as many words as possible from following kangaroo words. Yes. First one. See, HUNDRED. Yes. We can write last RED, red. We need to make more words from given words, kangaroo words. Okay. 100. We can write red, RED. You can make more words. Okay. Second one, immediate. First one is, see here, MEDIA, media, at, mediate, me. Yes, here I did 4. Third one, rooftop. Okay, we can do roof, ROOF, one word, TOP, top, another word, OF, off, TO, two. Yes, here I did 4 extra words from the kangaroo words. Fourth one, river bank. Yes, first word is river. Second is BANK, bank. We can write AN. Yes, and we can write VERB, verb. Yes. Fifth one, friend. Yes, FRREND. Okay, we can write END. Yes, and okay. Then next, read the given sentences and answer the questions. See, you need to read the first sentences. Later, we need to write the answers. First one, it is very simple. There are 200 crows in the city. Yes, Akbar said he is meant to count the crows. Okay, Manvan also counted the crows and Mantu also counted the crows. But they have given different answers. That's why, see, it is very simple. There are 200 crows in the city. Who said this? Who said this? Yes? Yes. Birbal said this. Yes? Birbal said to. Second question is same. B. To whom was it said? To whom was it said? See, this sentence is said by Birbal. Yes, Birbal said these sentences. It is very simple. There are 200 crows in the city. This said by Birbal. Okay. To whom it is? Yes. To whom was it said? It was said to Akbar. Yes. See, Akbar was asking to his minds about the crows. But here the Birbal gave the clever answer. Yes, it is very simple. There are 200 crows in the city. This is said by Birbal. To whom it is? Yes. It was said to Akbar. Akbar is a king here. Okay. See, second one. You are very clever man. Yes. You are very clever man. Who was very clever man? Yes, I said to you. Yes, in explanation while giving this. Yes, who was very clever man? Yes, Birbal was very clever man. He gave a superb answer to his king, Akbar. Yes. See, do you agree with Akbar? B, second one. Do you agree with Akbar? Yes, Akbar said to Birbal, you are very clever man. Yes, Akbar said to Birbal, you are very clever man. Yes, here Birbal was very clever man. Do you agree with Akbar? Akbar said, Birbal is very clever man. Do you agree with that? Yes, I agree with Akbar. Yes, Birbal was very clever man. Yes, I agree with Akbar. Okay. Answer the following questions. First one. What did Akbar see in the garden? See? Answer. The king Akbar saw a huge flock of crows flying around in the garden. See, Akbar and Birbal, they are walking in a palace garden. Yes. The Akbar, yes, the king Akbar saw a huge flock of crows flying around in the garden. Yes. Second one. Who counted the crows? Yes. The king's man counted the crows. Who counted the crows? The king's man counted the crows. Okay. Where did all the men count the crows? See, the king Akbar saw a huge flock of crows flying in around the garden. Okay. Then Akbar sent to his men to count the number of crows. Okay. Where they went? Which place they went? Okay. The king's men counted the crows on the rooftops. I already said rooftops means the top of the roof. Okay. The men counted the crows on the rooftops, trees and near the river banks. River banks means edge of a river. Okay. In Kannada what we will say? Nadi Dandi. Okay. Fourth one. What gift did Birbal get from the king? See, Birbal gave clever answer. Okay. Birbal gave a humorous answer and clever answer because Birbal was very intelligent. Yes. That's why the king Akbar gave bag of gold to Birbal. See, that's why they have given what gift did Birbal get from the king? The Birbal got a bag of gold from the king. Birbal gave a humorous answer. That's why the king was very happy. That's why he gave a bag of gold to Birbal. Okay. I think you all are understood. Okay. Write neatly in your notebook. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.